grandfather, who was aged about 94 years, even the day before he passed away, he performed his regular exercises. He went for walking and he did all his loosening exercises. As far as I can remember, back in the day, he performed all the exercises like yoga, walking, loosening exercises, and his mantras, pranayamas and chanting of japa all through his life, no matter whatever the weather conditions was outside. Last day, he sat down for breakfast and also to pass motion. It was an amazing journey to be with him, to spend time with him, and also to learn the life skills, whatever he has followed in his life. He taught me many things on many levels of my life. I wish I could have spent more time with him, and he performed exercises all through his life, and also not even a single line of sorrow on his face when he passed away. But the important teaching of his life is to perform exercises regularly, no matter whatever the conditions outside or the weather situations outside. We must perform exercise in the form of yoga, strength training, aerobics, gymming, sports, dance or any other activity, whatever you do to perform or to challenge your muscles, so that it gives you a strength, immunity boosting power and also health. Now let us see the important benefits of exercises. Exercises improve the muscle strength and flexibility. Exercises improve the flexibility and joint motions. Exercise also improves the lifespan. Exercise improves the quality of sleep. Exercise brings down the cholesterol levels, cardiovascular diseases and also diabetes. Exercise is very much helpful to improve overall personality development and also reverse all the chronic long-standing diseases in our body. Exercise improves the strength of all of our organs, the muscles, the bones and entire system. Exercises reduces the feeling of anxiety and depression. Exercises also boosts the mood, energy, feeling of fatigue and also it improves the quality of life. I hope this video was helpful and also you all will do exercises regularly from now on because you have known the benefits of exercises. If this video is informative and beneficial to you, please forward this to your family and friends. Comment below if you have any doubts regarding this topic and subscribe to our channel LifeAtNature. Hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Namaste.